Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Miro even when you don't have an internet connection. First, it's important to know that to set up a board for offline use, you need to be online initially. Open the Miro desktop app. You can download it for free from their website. Once you're in the app and online, open the board you want to use offline. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the board to open the menu. Look for an option that says Available Offline or Make Available Offline. Click the toggle or button to enable it. Miro will now download and sync a local copy of this board to your computer. Now, you can close the app. When you're without internet, just open the Miro desktop app again. You'll see your synced boards and can open them to view and edit. Any changes you make will be saved locally. Once you reconnect to the internet, open the Miro app, and it will automatically sync all your offline changes back to the cloud. This is perfect for working on planes, trains, or anywhere your connection is spotty, and that's it. You now know how to keep your Miro work going, even when you're offline. If this saves you from a connectivity headache, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.